When I was 7, I started raising rabbits. By the time I was early 20s, I had saved up enough money to build my house. At my peak, I had 80 does and I was producing over 1,000 rabbits a year. I was earning more than my peers or counterparts at that point in entry-level jobs, so I wasn't interested in leaving the farm to go find other work. Rabbit urine is one of the highest nitrogen content urine of any domesticated animal. Well, does that sound very fun to an 8-year-old kid? Not really. Enter the Racket House, the rabbit-chicken combination. That moved us from raising rabbits like everybody else to raising rabbits lunatic style. Chickens aerate, compost, and mulch, and rabbits drop their manure and urine very similarly in the same place. Oh yeah, that's good stuff. When we first started out, I thought, oh, rabbits on pasture, no problem. Put them in a floorless cage, everything's good. Let's just say I got really good with a fish net. If you pick a genetic target, you can hit it in your lifetime, as opposed to, say, cows that might have to take 3 or 4 generations of humans to actually hit a goal. Now I'm gonna grab it and pull down gently to make sure I get started without tearing the belly skin. If I put a J-clip here, the door could possibly slip all the way down to there and leave a large gap at the top. We're gonna grab the scruff and quickly lift. And as we lift, we support the bottom of the rabbit as well. Portability, lack of predation concern, and the slat control of the rabbit is the secret to these pastured shelters' success. Join me and Farm Like a Lunatic as we go down the rabbit hole and give you the tools you need for success.